What's up, TikTok? So this past weekend, I went to go watch Sound of Freedom, and I didn't watch the previews of it, so I didn't really know what it was about. But TikTok was hyping it up, so I went to go watch it with little expectations. So when I went to the movie theater and I sat down, and a couple minutes later, I heard a guy say that um, he didn't want to watch this. So I knew from there that this was going to be a good movie, of course. Watching it during the movie theater or during the movie, I have never seen so many male, um, I've never seen so many men cry. That's how disturbing and uncomfortable this movie is. Um, that it sheds a light on a fragile subject that we don't like talking about because it's the biggest elephant in the room, and the fact that this happens every second, every minute of the day. um it focuses on child trafficking, and we don't like to talk about it. It is a very powerful movie, in that it took a while for this to come out, like 5 or so years for it to come out. And I loved how the promoting it is, giving other people the opportunity to watch it, as far as like share these tickets or share the movie, share. If you're going to share something, this is one thing you need to share and watch. Should it be shown in schools? Yes. I think it should be shown in schools, um, because it's a real thing that's happening. And we always think that it's not going to happen to our family members, our children, but it does. Um, the testimony of this specific, you know, movie that has it's based on a true story is, you know, it is uncomfortable. And that we have a hero involved, and it that was like this man dedicated himself to go and save these children. Is like, why hasn't this guy gotten get hasn't got any, like, he deserves all the accolades. Um, as a filmmaker, the the attention to detail, as the director Alejandro Monteverdi, I think that's his name, is like impeccable. The cinematography is amazing. Like, I mean, what more can I say? Please go watch the movie. Um, Share it. Go with somebody. If you want your kids to watch it first, and if you think your kids should watch. But I think so. I think, you should bring your kids along. It's not as graphic, but it's real, and it happens. Brings awareness. So watch it.